Hello, and welcome to the My Story Creation website. I'm Alysha, and today I am going to teach you how to make your story starter card. To make your own story cards, you will need a pair of scissors, a glue stick, cardboard, a marker or a pencil, a ruler, and your story starter cutout sheet. You can get the Story Starter activity sheet by going to the Kids4Kids My Story Creation website and downloading and printing it yourself. Today, I'll teach you how to make your story cards in two different ways, one with and another way without cardboard if you don't have any. Let's start! Let's start by cutting out the story cards. Follow the lines and cut around the square, like this. Do this for all the story cards. Once you're done, we can move on to the next step. The next step is to cut your cardboard into squares. Today, I'm making 4 story cards, so I'll need 4 squares. You can trace the shape of your story card onto the cardboard, like this, to make it easier to cut your shape. Cutting cardboard can be tricky, so make sure to have parental supervision or someone older to help. Once you cut out the cardboard squares, you are almost done. Now you want to get the pieces of paper you just cut out and glue them onto the pieces of cardboard. Start by getting a My Story Starter picture like this one and gluing it onto the cardboard. Make sure the corners of the paper line up with the cardboard. Then flip the cardboard over and glue the My Story Starter prompt side on. This is how your finished card should look like. Make sure you glue the pieces in the right direction. And you're done! Now I'll teach you how to make the story card without cardboard. Get your story starter sheet and cut out the squares from the paper. Then, glue the pieces together neatly by making sure the corners line up. Also make sure your cards face the right direction when you line them up, so they don't end up the wrong way. And now you're done! You have made your own story cards to help you picture your story and tell your tale. Thanks for watching this video. For more information about Kids4Kids and My Story Creation, please visit www.kids4kids.org.hk or www.mystory.kids4kids.org.hk. Bye!